still sleeping, but I had to tidy up this little space before, you know, the day gets started. I went to sleep with it. Not messy, but not clean. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go straighten up my living room. My island is a hot mess, but I have the microwave on there. Let me turn you around and show you guys the microwave. So this is the microwave. And that's the old one. Took it out the thing. And for us, our microwave went outside. And of course I have the stove that's in the garage. I took the other one outside. But it opens from it's a little recess handle right there. But I like it, and it's the same color as my fridge, which this peels. It peels off. This finish peels off, so we have to be really careful about scratching any of these appliances, because once you scratch it, that's a wrap. The stainless steel underneath of it starts to show. So that's what our day is gonna be consist of, is putting the microwave up, which we have to screw a new hole. We have to screw a new hole up under here because the one that was there, and I probably should just paint these cabinets while this is out, but guess what? I'm too lazy. And yeah, but I'm thinking I could replace this cabinet and get another one that's a little higher, but I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it. I need to get a cabinet to go over top of the refrigerator though, because the refrigerator just looks like it's just floating out of nowhere. I need some coffee. But we don't have stove or a microwave. So I don't know if I was gonna go grab some coffee and something to eat, because I need to function. So we're gonna go do that. Good morning. You want cereal? You want milk with it? Yeah. All right, come sit up the thing. Where do you want to sit? Here? You can't sit at the island because the microwave is there. Want to sit here? All right, come on. Which bowl do you want? Oh, let me give you some light. There you go. Okay. Cereal time. This is crap, but I can't get rid of it because it's my good morning bowl. The sunshine. Is sunshine okay for you? Which milk is open? I think this is open. Yep, this is open. There you go. Which one do you want? You want chocolate or fruity? Chocolate? You want the Reese's or Graham? Enjoy. And just like that, toddler's fed. Hey, yeah, toddler's fed. Whew, I'm so out of breath. I don't know why. It's supposed to rain today. It's like really overcast, but it's really nice. It's really nice. We painted the deck. We stained the deck this summer, and it turned out good. We did white on the railing and gray on the boards, and it's kind of hard to tell that we built this deck. I know, Rob and I are amazing. That's why they hate us. Anyways, babe, are you gonna go get us breakfast and coffee?
No, I'm bringing you the stove.
Oh. I'm just pulling out the emergency stove. Is that even necessary? Yeah. There's still propane in there. Okay. I thought he was going to spoil me and take me to go get breakfast, but ain't gonna happen. Rob pulled out the camping stove.
This is the one that's in the Chinese market.
Yeah, he's otada.
Bad.
Otam bad. Nigga, my stove. Can't wait for this bad boy to be installed. I'm gonna show you guys the dent that they put in there. With the stove. Guys, about to make us some coffee. Yep, take that out the way, please. It'll blow up our house. Woof. This is nice. If I was like single and on my own, I wouldn't have to buy appliances. Just get one of these bad boys. A little tiny microwave. And you're good to go. Okay, so we took down the other rail for that microwave over there. And now he's marking the studs because the other one that we had, it had support going up here and they had it anchored in. So now we gotta find the studs because this is the only piece that this microwave comes with. So it has to be securely anchored to the wall. Found all the studs and none of the screw holes are hitting the stud. This one ain't. You would have to drill. Oh, the center line. Oh, yeah, it is. We got a couple.
Is that the center line?
Yeah, that's the center line.
Huh?
Yeah. Because I had marked it. And it's up top too.
Does that look like the center line to you on both sides, Jim? That eyeball is crap.
It looks center. Are you gonna put the butterfly in? Those butterfly things are supposed to go in.
That's for top mounting.
Oh.
That's for when you top mount it.
Oh, okay. So.
We don't need to.
Okay. Because I'm pretty sure the video that I watched had them butterfly it.
Where?
There was a YouTube video I watched where they installed this specific microwave and they butterflied it. So I was right. We have to use the toggle bolts here, and then we had to use one wood screw into an actual stud. You saw the stud right here.
How many leaves are here?
And then he found 2 studs over there, but there was no hole to fit it, so he made his own. So that's done. Okay, so microwave is up. It wasn't too hard. It took a lot of manpower to push that bad boy up in there because one time we thought it wasn't gonna fit, but it fits perfectly. And we did the mountain thing properly. It's all toggled and secured to the wall. That bad boy ain't going nowhere. And then up top we secured it. So it's in there. Ain't going nowhere. I love it. Let me show y'all the features. So, you have your vent, which from high medium, and low, and then low, and then off. And then you have all your other stuff, popcorn. It's a center cook. You have potato, you have pizza, you have veggies, you have reheat, you have cook, you have the light for underneath. Ooh, that is what? Look at that light. Ooh, it's dimmable. And then off. And then you have your auto defrost. You got fit choice. You got kids meal. You got snacks. I guess you could preset these. And then you have your eco mode. You have your plus 30 seconds. Keep warm. And then on the inside, you have a little grill situation. I can't have that because my Radon mugs are too tall for that to be in there. So there's that. So Rob and I, oh, did I show you guys the stuff thingy? I don't know if I did. I'm not even sure where I am in this whole vlogging process, but we went to the store because we need Rob is cooking dinner, not me. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. Usually I'll go to the Spanish market and stock up on all the carrot. My face is so oily. So oily. I have no makeup on, so forgive my face. But I'm so oily. But I went to the Spanish market and they sell a lot of Jamaican stuff. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what we picked up. That was so long-winded. But yeah, I'm gonna go put all of this stuff away and Robert's gonna get started on dinner because yeah, I'm not cooking. Oh, the vent is down here?
Go ahead.
That's nice. Ooh.
It's not hot though, it's cool.
Mr. Chef Albornoz. I'm making the rice and peas. And he's doing the curry only because according to him he doesn't know how to make rice and peas, which is a lie because I've taught him multiple times. I keep going around because I gotta stir. So I put brown in my rice and peas to make it that color, like that nice rich dark color. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of brown sugar to give it that taste. Salt, butter or oil. Season it with scallion and thyme and add your rice. Cook it down and you're done.
I like how you say it.